Well, it was a soggy start to the morning around the area. Here's a look at some video sent in this morning. What appears to be some lightning on Cattleman and Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota. A little bit of a wet commute this morning. It's still wet in a couple places, so give yourself a few extra minutes and just take it slowly out there this morning. John Scalzi?
So, yeah, that's kind of...
Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
You know, about 75% of the lightning is in the clouds, just like that video showed. Not much of it actually hits the ground, so it's kind of an infrequent occurrence. Only about 1 in 4 strikes actually hit the ground. That was a beautiful shot. That's one of the things that actually got me into weather, is looking at those thunderstorms out my bedroom window at night and just being absolutely mesmerized by thunderstorm activity. 72 degrees the air temperature, dew point coming in at 69. The dew point starting to lower thanks to the westerly and northwesterly component to the wind. The frontal boundary sinking southward. Still a few showers around, but I'll tell you what, they're falling apart. A mere shadow of what they used to be. I think over the course of the next 2 hours, we'll be able to get rid of the rain chance completely. Right now, it's mostly focused in areas of Charlotte County, extreme eastern Charlotte County, and the southern and eastern tip of Hardee County as well, or DeSoto County. Otherwise, we're looking at pretty quiet conditions across the Sun Coast, and that's the way it's going to be as the frontal boundary continues to press southward across our region. High pressure continues to build in. We'll look for that wind out of the northwest to strengthen this afternoon, drawing down that drier, less humid air. It's going to be absolutely a beautiful afternoon, I think, and tomorrow is going to be a really exquisite April day. Clouds, then some sunshine as we head into the afternoon. Drier air moving in. About 24 hours it'll take for it to really filter in, but you'll notice it even this afternoon, I think. And then there's a weekend rain chance too that we're going to be looking at. We have this dry air indicated by this tan colorization on our water vapor imagery at mid and upper levels, and it goes way upstream. So there's a lot of this dry air that can still filter in. That's going to give us a couple of days of some very pretty sunny skies and low relative humidity as well, as some of that upper level dry air kind of filters down to the surface by friction. 9 a.m. temperature, 73 degrees. We'll have that kind of mix of sun trying to peek through the clouds. It'll still be somewhat cloudy out there, though. And then by 12 p.m., we'll look for 77 degrees, noon. And then by 3 p.m., 82. That's about our top hot temperature for today. No rain chance as we head into the evening, although inland, well inland, and to the eastern part of the state, there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm as well. Because of that northwesterly wind that we have coming in at about 15 this afternoon, should push most of that activity to well inland locations. Dew point values are going to be falling throughout the day, but still it's going to be breezy. So boaters, don't be caught by surprise there. 2 to 3 foot seas, a moderate chop on bay and inland waters. Water temperature now coming in at 78 degrees. Today's tidal information should be kind of nice, but remember those seas are going to get kind of squirrely out there perhaps in the second half of the day. A 10:56 high tide this morning, followed by a low tide at 3:49, and then another high tide coming your way at 8:51. Sunset comes at 8 p.m., sunrise just before the 7 o'clock hour now. The 7-day forecast looks like this. We'll put in about that 10% chance of a shower for the next hour or two. And again, that's mostly in DeSoto County and parts of Charlotte County. 82 we'll call it for a daytime high today, but tomorrow, oh, what an exquisite day tomorrow will be. Full sunshine, lower relative humidity, making it feel very comfortable. Temperature about 78 degrees, and then 79 on Thursday. We'll start to get a little bit more humidity back in the picture on Friday. And then on Saturday, factor in that 20% chance of a shower. Not an all-day rain out, just a little bit better chance of a probably earlier shower in the day. 10, 11, 12, 1 o'clock. And then on Sunday, absolutely beautiful with a temperature of 84.